Allison Jane, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Heck?
She's.
Do you know her, or just
No,
a store?
I won a prize
Doing
from
what?
on YouTube.
You did?
Yeah, I did a very clever comment on why I should have it.
Do you know what it is?
I'm just repeating. See? I did that. Oh, that is all over your finger.
Poor Kimmy. Just trying to
Poor
save
Kimmy.
the address.
I'm excited.
Card.
Can I see? Show it to Dad.
To Mommy?
No, to that camera. Up there, up high.
Okay.
No.
Sorry.
Up
Oh,
high.
the kite.
Hey, it's closed. You have to open it.
I know, but that's the front of the kite.
Can you open it?
Yeah. I'm just getting used to it.
Yeah. Alright. Get it. The package. That's it. Ooh, sweet. Sweet. They're popping. Oh, so cute.
What the heck?
It's a
Beautiful.
I know.
And you won this?
Yeah.
Nice. The vintage pin with the bow. I thought it was going to be like an iPod or something.
He put it on my shirt.
More for a coat or something. It's very heavy.
Oh.
So who is Allison James?
She's from YouTube. Oh, I love it. It's so
Very
cute.
Darling.
It's darling. Thank you.
Potato Barn Antiques. It was in here.
Thank you, Allie.